Hey guys, how's it going? Don Williams coming to you from my home here in Dallas, Texas. Just wanted to make this blog post for all my team members, all those people who had been associated with me with Easy Leads and Cash, formerly Z&Z on steroids, and all the other things that we've gone through within the last year. I just want to make this quick video on this blog and just talk about why I did what I did with respect to the changes and going over and finally coming in with Tiny Check, Exodus slash Power Network. One thing is because the things that we were doing just was not working very well. I mean, it worked up to a point, but it just didn't seem to get the momentum that I wanted after working with this thing for an entire year. And I know that everything is about, when it comes to making money on the internet, it's about training and tools. Okay, those are very, very important. So I had joined the Power Network before, back in 2011, and quit. And when I saw what Reggie was doing, it just made so much sense. Now I just want to expand right quickly, because we're not going to keep this long. With respect to Empower Network, I've been watching some of the video training in the back office, and these guys are totally awesome. There's no question about that. No reason. That's the reason why people are making so much money, is because they have such a very, very powerful system, and the quality of it, the community that they have, is just something that I've never seen online. You see those things on the internet when everybody used to focus on home meetings and things like that, but but since the internet, these communities have gone away. But Empower Network has brought that back, and they give you so much training. One of the things that I learned from watching the videos yesterday, and I should have known this, is you guys spend so much time posting your business opportunity on Facebook. Nobody really wants to hear it. They really don't. And that was one of the things that they would pointed out in his training, was that people don't want to do that. So and the same thing with your blog. People want content, and he basically broke it down, guys. If you write a blog continuously every day, you'll get traffic to your Empower Network blog, and you can look around you, and you can see how this thing is branded, and people will opt in, and you will build your list. So he says write a blog every day. That's what they teach, and of course they're talking about doing a video every day for 90 days and posting it on a blog, on your Empower Network blog. And then people will come, not necessarily a business opportunity video, but something interesting, something that people will enjoy, or something that people will learn something from. So you'll get traffic. People will share your blog. They're not going to share your biz op pitch. Okay, nobody's going to click the share button when you're talking about join my thing, we're the best, we just launched. Nobody's going to share that, and therefore so all you're doing is shooting in the dark, hoping that someone comes to your blog and sees it and then decides to buy. Okay, but if you're putting up content that people like, and some people will share it, and you'll get more traffic to it. It'll increase search engine rankings. You'll get comments on it. All that's going to cause your blog to go up in the search engine. And as you can see, this thing is branded all over on this blog. Some people are going to click. Some people are going to opt in, and you're going to start building your list. As you build your list, and as you make more videos and more blogs, you send those out to your list. Okay, and it's just a perpetual thing. It just causes your list to build essentially on autopilot, and you make sales. Now that's not something that happens overnight, and this is where people I think fall short, is because they want it instantly. If it don't happen big time for them in 30 days, they're off to the next shiny thing. That was probably my mistake with Empower Network as well, because I stayed with it probably 4 months or so, and did earn some money. but went off and did start doing some other things. So this is my first video for Empower Network on my blog. I'm going to be doing a video for 90 days. I'm going to take the 90-day challenge. In addition to that, I'll be making more than one blog a day. I'll be writing a blog. I'll be finding interesting videos on YouTube and posting them on the blog as well. And see, all that will start getting me traffic. It's not going to happen on the first day, but it will perpetually happen. One thing I know is that if you put content out on the internet, it's out there forever. It doesn't go away, and it gets picked up, and people start finding it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. The other thing, there was something else I wanted to say. Oh yeah, Tiny Check actually, some people in the group has set up a Facebook group where we're going to share our blogs. And what I mean by that, we go in and post our blogs in the group, and people are going to go to it, comment on it, share it on Google Plus, tweet it, share it on Facebook, things like that. See, that's kind of working as a team. You know, so someone might say, well, you can't share an Empower Network blog on Facebook. Well, these guys have that covered. See that button up there that says badass? All you do is click that. All I have to do is click that, and it gives me a new link. It gives me a link that has nothing to do with Empower Network in it, and that can be posted on Facebook. And there's some other ways of doing it as well. So these guys have it all covered. And again, I must say that the training that these guys take you through, it's really off the charts. It's really off the charts. So I'm going to highly recommend to you folks that have not come on board yet. Those of you who just kind of watching and saying, I don't know about that thing, I'm just telling you that you might just want to consider diving in at the $25 level. And of course, if you don't like it, the next month you cancel. But if you will do what these guys tell you to do, you can't lose. The only way I think a person can lose with Empower Network is not doing anything. Just get in and say, okay, I'm not going to write a blog. I don't want to blog. I'm just going to post links here and post links on social networks. No, these guys have a process for you to follow. And the number one thing is to blog daily. And it doesn't take that much time. And if you're posting videos from YouTube, you just grab the embed code and go over and post it in the blog and write 3 or 4 lines of code, and bam, it's done. So for me to post a video blog every 90 days, a YouTube blog, take a video from YouTube and put it on Empower Network blog, that's 2 blogs a day. That's probably going to take me less than 90 minutes a day to do that. Probably about an hour. And then I'll probably go ahead and write another blog as well. One thing I was doing, guys, is I was using stage viral videos. And when I do that, I can grab all these crazy videos and put it in stage viral videos and put it out there. And then of course it has a place for you to put the banners and all this kind of good stuff. That's cool. But why not? Why should I not just go ahead and put those videos on my Empower Network blog, okay, and put that out there? You see, again, if you look at this blog and you look around you, you see all the branding. They've done all the work for you. That's the thing about it. They do all the selling for you. You don't really have to sell Empower Network. They do all the selling for you. They do the upselling for you as well. When you to upsell all of us to the next level, whether it be the Inner Circle or Costa Rica Intensive and whatever, all those different things, and we get paid 100% commission. It really can't get too much better than that. I'm never going to say anything is the best out there and there's nothing else that beats this. People say this is the greatest. That's bullshit. Nobody knows what's the best because they haven't seen everything, okay? But I'm going to tell you this. It's pretty darn good. I'm gone. Talk to you later.